welcome. All right, please make sure your name's at the top, okay?
That's not Diddy?
And, yeah, that's not Diddy. Because they're tight.
Proud Diddy.
My goodness. All right. Now, I would also make sure you have the date, the period, and your student number. Okay, so here we go. Please pay attention to, there's no calculator, okay, because you won't be able to use the calculator on the test. All right, so read.
There is a sale at the Gap. A pair of pants that usually cost $40 is on sale for 20% off.
Beep.
How much would you pay for the pants before tax is added? Make sure to show your work.
Beep. Okay, so first, when we want to talk about percents, everybody draw this long rectangle, otherwise known as a tape diagram, with 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Each box represents 10%, okay? Now, if this whole thing equals $40 and we want to divide it evenly into 10 boxes, what is 40 divided by 10? 4. So we're going to count by 4s in each box. So we have 4. What's next? 8. Count 4 more. 12. Then?
16.
Yes, 16. 20. 24. 28. 32. 36. 40. Cool. All right. So if we say each box is 10%, right? And the sale is for 20% off, how many boxes are we talking about? 2. So circle it. Okay. Look, this is how much we are going to discount or take away from the original. Okay. So if it's 20% off, this is going to be $8 less. What is the sales price?
$8.
What's 40 minus 8?
40 minus 8 is
32. Okay. Beautiful. You could also do this as, and this just occurred to me, if you get 20% off, couldn't we just take 2 boxes away?
Yes.
Look at this. 1, 2, and here's the price.
Oh, that was.
Would that be smarter?
Yeah.
All right, so let's do it that way. That just occurred to me. All right, who could read the second one? Please.
When out to
Okay.
Casco, the bill comes out to $63.
Beep.
Your friend wants to leave a 15% tip.
Beep.
But you want to leave a 20% tip.
Beep.
How much money is each person recommending you leave for the waiter to show your work?
Beep. Okay, so first let's make 10 boxes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now how much was the check? $63. Okay, so this whole thing is $63. Now, if it's a weird number like this, put the decimal point and 2 zeros, okay? If we want to divide this by 10, look, we can just move the decimal point over 1 spot and drop it so that this is now $6.30 is how much each box is worth, okay? So I'm going to put $6.30, okay, and we're going to count by $6.30 per box, which is going to seem kind of strange. If I double this, what would the next box be?
$12.60.
Good for you. Don't count these kids out. $12.60. Now, if we add $6.30 again to that.
18.
Yes, get it. $18.90. Very good. All right, now if we add $6.30 onto it again, it would be $25.20. Okay, let's add $6.30 again. What would it be?
$31.80.
Almost. 31.
Wait, 60.
50.
50. Almost. I like that you don't give up. All right, now let's go again. If we add 630 onto 3150, what would that be?
37.80.
37.80. Get it. All right, now I'm going to do the next one because, let's see, 44.10. Okay. All right, let's add 630 on again.
40.
Good job. $50.40. Beautiful. All right, let's add it on again.
56. 70.
Great. All right. And then if we add it on again, we should be back at $63. Okay. So, let's check it out here. We are recommending leaving 20%. So, how much are we recommending? 1260. Because look, we're recommending we leave 2 boxes. 1260. All right, so I'm going to put my, should we say recommendation?
Yes.
Okay, my recommendation is $12.60. Okay, and our friend wants to leave 15%, which is half of what this box is worth. Okay, so what is half of $6.30?
$3.15.
Good, $3.15. So go ahead off to the side. Let's figure out what $3.15, which would be for 5%, and then $6.30 for 10%, so that we can figure out what's 15%. Okay, if we add these, what would we have?
9.45.
Great job. Okay, so this is the friend's recommendation. Friend's recommendation. Okay, and our recommendation was $12.60. Is that a big difference?
No, not really. Kind of. Like $3. About $3.
Could a $3 difference be a big difference for a waiter or waitress?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Which is cheaper? 20% off a $40 pair of shoes from Macy's. All right, so we're going to compare two things. Everybody put Macy's on one side, Nordstrom's on the other. Okay. We really didn't have a lot of time to get to this today. How many boxes should I make? Everybody say 10.
10.
It's always 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, this is really not symmetrical, but that's okay. All right, let's make 10 on this side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, everybody's ringtone's going off. Okay, how much do the shoes cost at Macy's?
$40.
$40. All right, so originally $40. Now, what's 40 divided by 10?
40. I mean 4.
4. So we are going to count by 4s. So we have 4, now what? 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. All right, it's 20% off, so how many boxes should I cancel?
2.
2. 20% off, right? So each box is 10%. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Here's our price.
32.
Yeah. All right. So let's look at Nordstrom's. It says
$45.
$45 originally, with $10 off. So we actually don't have to do the boxes. We're just going to subtract. Okay? How much would it be at Nordstrom's?
35.
35. All right. Well, this is a no-brainer. Which would you rather pay?
Macy's.
Yeah. So, I would much rather buy the shoes at Macy's and save. How much would we save by going to Macy's?
$3.
Great job. $3. Okay? Beautiful.